7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. It's the Chicago step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. So when you turn, that left comes out. So it's left, right, left when you turn. But it's after the Chicago. So let's do Chicago and turn, Chicago and turn.
You know why I'm messing up? I learned it kicking.
Yeah.
That's why I'm
And if you want to kick, that's fine. That's wrong, but it's fine.
I know, I'm going to learn it that way.
It's not a Chicago step.
Okay.
That's a line dance step.
Okay.
But the actual step is a kick. I mean, to walk.
Right.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left. And then you do that weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And roll, and roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll, and roll. And then we're ready to do that level part, which is right back, left back, right up, turn, left back, right and up. Right back, left back, right and turn, right and up. So it's right back, left back. Now look at this part, Corpus. It's gonna step and turn, and it's back and up and up. So it's right back, left back, step and back, back and up. Okay? And then, after we do that, then it's the level, 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 turn. Level, 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 turn. And then I think it starts over again. And then there's a special part where we did it, we step right tick, 1, 2, left tick, 1, 2, and rock, 2, 3, 4, right tick, 1, 2, left tick. So we get that back while we do the same thing.
Okay.
Right tick, 1, 2, left tick, 1, 2, rock, 2, 3, 4. So that's a special part. Let's do it one more time. So we're gonna start on that right. Right tick, 1, 2, left tick, 1, 2, rock, 2, 3, 4, right tick, 1, 2, left tick, 1, 2, rock, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then that end is level, 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 a quarter turn, level, 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 a half turn, level, 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 a quarter turn, level, 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 a half turn, level, 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 quarter turn, level, 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 a half turn, level, 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 a quarter turn, level, level, half turn brings you back to the front, and that's the end.